Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Andria Daily, and today I'm gonna do a little unboxing. I would say faux unboxing because I already wore these shoes, but for formality, I will act like I'm unboxing these shoes. Anyway, so recently I went to Highland Village in Highland Park in Dallas, and I went to the Christian Louboutin store. And I didn't know exactly what I wanted to get. I just knew that I wanted some Christian Louboutins. I have black and beige or nude, but those didn't come from the actual store. They were secondhand. So this is my first boutique experience with Christian Louboutin. So anyways, I went into the store. I saw a pair of white heels in the front and they were so freaking cute. They reminded me of these Rockin' Republic heels that I got from like Kohl's in high school. And I really love those shoes, but they were too small. At the time, I would like buy shoes even if they were like a size too small, just because I liked it, which is horrible to do because it defeats the purpose of having them if they freaking hurt. So looked around the store. I just wanted these white Croc shoes and that's what I got. So this is the bag, the shopping bag that it comes with. And you have a little card here that the salesperson gives you. So what's in here is the receipt and their little business card, and it has this like little red stamp on it. And it says, "Love your red soles. Due to the delicate nature of your red soles, we ask that the shoes be tried on carpeted flooring. If not, they may not be suitable for return. Thank you for understanding." So the retail price of these shoes were $775, and after tax it was basically $840. So yeah. Get that out of the way. Here's a box that it comes in. So just this Christian Louboutin Paris, and I got them in a size 37.5. Normally I wear 8, but the gentleman said that I should wear a 7.5, which I was kind of antsy about because, like I said, I got those other shoes that were too small. I didn't want to get another pair that was too small. So these are the Irizas. My dog. These are the Irizas. They're 100 centimeters, and this is calf Jurassic, like Jurassic Park. So this is the box. You have the little tips for the end of the shoe so you can replace them. The basically little dust bag for the shoes. It just only comes with one. And I made it look like how it looked when I first got them. Take this stuff apart. It comes with little tissues and everything and all the other stuff. But here are the shoes. They are freaking gorgeous. Yeah. Like they have like a little white Croc detail. I don't know how to say this. Is it a Dorsey? A Dorsey? To Dorsey? I don't know. Basically, how you say when this part is missing in a shoe. A Dorsey? Goddamn, I really want to look it up now. Let's see. Because my little Sam Edelman flats that I love, they say, what, to Dorsey or something? Hold on. Anyway, whatever. I'll figure it out. But anyway, beautiful white Croc leather. Like I said, I wore them already twice. So this is the silhouette of the shoe. It's freaking gorgeous. The 100 millimeter is not too high. 120, now that's where it hurts, especially with this toe box here. But this is a larger toe box than the, I think the Kate. Which one do I have? I think I have the Pagali or whatever. and the toe box is way smaller than this. So this is a bigger toe box, so I guess that's why he said I can get it in a 7.5 and it's fine. So that's how it looks, the detail on the inside. That's how it looks in the back. It has a little stamp where it says Christian Louboutin and made in Italy. And it has the size. So yeah, this is how much it's gotten scuffed up from 2 wears. I don't know if I want to get like a protective cover. I don't really care. I mean, this, it's almost impossible for this to get scratched when you're walking, so and you'll still see the red even if the bottom part is still gone. I think that's just something that happens. This is the stitching on the back, if that is focused. That's how the inside looks. The outside, it's very cute. These are surprisingly pretty comfortable, but I don't know, the older that I'm getting, the older I get, I'm getting like a pigeon toed when I walk in heels. I don't know what that's about, but they are very comfortable. But if you see me walking in them, they might be like this a little bit. I don't know why. But anyway, I'm very happy with my purchase. I really needed some white heels, especially as we're going into the spring and summertime. They definitely were worth it for like the first time boutique experience, even though it was a quick buy. I was just like, oh yeah, those, I like those, let me get them. But so cute, so cute. I think that I am done with Louboutins for now. I don't know, unless, you know, I get older and I want like a classic looking pair, but for now I'm full. I have the black ones, I got the beige ones, and now I have the white ones. And the single sole heels, like the silhouette that they have, it's okay. I still like my little $100 Sam Edelman single sole Ariella heels. So I would rather wear those than spend $800, $1,000, $600, $700 plus tax on Louboutins again. But I am happy about my purchase. Like, I'm happy that I got these. I am done. But I mean, don't hold me to it if you see me with another pair. But I think I'm good. I'm good on it. And they're so cute. Like the Irizas, they're freaking adorable. I like them a lot. So anyway, that is my unboxing slash review slash kind of luxury. It's not a haul because it's one thing, but I don't know. But I hope you enjoy.